Hello, welcome to Cryptogevity Metaverse Space. Here, you can find AI teaching assistants for all of your courses.
I'm so frustrated I have already waited for an hour in office hour.
Hello, welcome to Cryptogevity Metaverse Space. Here, you can find AI teaching assistants for all of your courses. Which course do you have questions about?
I have a question about Physics 12.
You may find the AI teaching assistant for Physics 212 in the second room on my left-hand side.
Hello, I was wondering what displacement current is, and can you give me some examples?
Hello, welcome to Physics 212. You may find your answer about displacement current in Lecture 22, starting at 0 minutes and 26 seconds. You may find the lecture on my left-hand side.
All right, it's 2 o'clock. So we're gonna at least make it through Lecture 22 today, God willing. Let there be light.